Today, I want to present to you our perspective on digital transformation based on our experiences working with retailers like you around the world, which includes helping retailers help their customer excel by deriving insight from collected data, helping make it possible for departments to collaborate over the entire promotion life cycle, and lastly, help maintain real-time inventory and price accuracy across all product mix. Just to share with you, over the last couple of years, I've experienced gradual change in my customer meetings to retailers like you. Boardroom conversation is increasingly focused on consistent customer experience, authenticity of the brand in every customer interaction, integrating supply chain execution, and investing on physical and virtual store to refine and reinvent their business models. Most retailers know that they need to do more for the digital future. In my meetings with them, there are three major items that they focus now. First, as retailers, your focus is on the customer by delivering the goods and services that they want. Our hyper-connected customers have changed the rules of the game in the retail industry. They demand seamless and personalized experience across any channel, anytime, anywhere, and any device. According to 2014 Global Customer Barometer Index, 68% of customers are willing to pay more for a better customer experience. Secondly, you want to outperform competition. In other words, you want to differentiate above the rest. New competitors are emerging every day, ready to answer the needs of our customer and the experience that they require. What they have done is to standardize their business processes by rolling out solutions to manage their pricing, promotion, and merchandising. Today, around 45% of enterprises are building direct-to-consumer fulfillment capabilities because if you do not innovate, you will be irrelevant to your customer. Most importantly, you want to grow your business by managing all aspects of your operations, by orchestrating your supply chain and finance. Is this something your company is doing as well? I bet you would have the same experience at some point. You know you have to do more in order to digitally transform your business. But complexity is the most intractable issue for retailers. This exerts negative pressure on your bottom line. For 20 years, retailers have invested in standardizing their business processes and implementing productivity tools. But how do you pull yourself out of this complexity? The answer is simple. You need to run simple in order to drive business innovation. Did you know that the 200 biggest companies in the world lose over 10% of their annual profit because of complexity? Based on survey, 81% of executives believes that simplification is important for their organization, and 88% admit that IT investment is important to achieve simplification. Also, most retailers would have maintained merchandising system, customer relationship system, and finance and supply chain solution, leading you to manage siloed systems and application. This point solution is adding up to the business complexity that you are now experiencing. You're duplicating your inventory, you're duplicating your effort, and spreading customer histories. And when this happens, you need more energy and more resources to integrate data into end-to-end business processes. And little that you know, it's affecting your margin as well. Does this resonate to you? Retail executives know that the world has changed. And outside of the tech, media, and telecom industries, retail is projected to have the highest degree of digital disruption by 2020. 90% of CEO believes that digital economy will have a major impact on their industry, but only 25% have a plan, and less than 15% are funding and executing their plan. Therefore, the reality is, you have to stop nibbling around the edges. Digital is an opportunity to reimagine all aspects of your business with your customers at the center. And to do that, here's what needed. First, you need to resist that point solution approach that may have worked in the past. Instead, you need to step back and establish a digital business core. This digital core will serve as a foundation that can bring together both transactional business processes and analytical business intelligence on a single and unified platform for retail planning, forecasting, and predictive analytics. This will also have a repository of your customers' activities across all channels with additional insight to your real-time inventory and product mix. With that platform in place, you can use data from all channels, combine sensors, weather, social, and geospatial data, leading you to a perfect understanding of customer and the business. The result is recommendation that can be instantly acted upon in transactional system. For example, retailers can use this data to adjust stock, avoid stock shortages, and decrease waste. Retailers need to build a platform for innovation and business process or optimization. These new capabilities open infinite new ways of optimizing business, driving business digitization, reducing costs, and providing the agility required in a rapidly changing world. By streamlining operations, reducing costs, and driving top line, growth is an inevitable result. Digital transformation will affect all areas of retail business as retailers seek new ways to reach customers while maximizing efficiencies within their own operation. With digital playing a larger role in commerce, many newer business models fundamentally rethink the use of technology in creating and capturing new sources of value and revenue. Automation, speed, and contextually driven decision will create opportunities for retailers to ensure seamless customer experience across all channels and enable a 360-degree view of your customer's activity. This is made possible by sophisticated predictive analytics, fully integrated to the core transactional system. In fact, several leading retailers have taken this approach to help them solve the big problems and capture new growth opportunities. Under Armour is committed in helping athletes push themselves to the next level. They are not just selling shirts and shoes. They are connecting 140 million people on a digital health platform. They took advantage of SAP HANA to track customer fitness footprint and workout habits with insights gathered from wearable technology. They aim to provide personalized advice and information to help their customers excel and anticipate future customer demand. Another good example is Macy's. Macy's utilizes SAP to more efficiently predict customer buying behavior to optimize their marketing campaigns. Using the platform, Macy's.com now predicts customer buying behavior 15 times faster than they were able to when using a legacy system. What's more, they've increased online sales by 8 to 12%. MBVO is a large digital electronics and home appliance retailer in Russia. It utilizes SAP's digital platform to automatically route and monitor its supply chain, resulting in 50% faster order processing, a 5% increase in in-store inventory availability, and 3% increase on on-time deliveries. This is how common technology platform is helping retailers like you in today's world where everything is connected and data is everywhere. You can discover new ways to enhance your relationship with your customers. I would like to discuss further about this digital transformation. We would like to set up a workshop with you and our retail expert so that we could better understand your opportunities and challenges. And together, we will chart your course towards this digital journey. I will send you a note about this discussion and get your availability from there so that we could mobilize our resources. Thank you and have a good day.